Hey there, YouTube. Why did I join the Marines? And first, let's have a look at the Zippo. Paris Island, South Carolina. Oh man, that one's kind of... I did not go to Paris Island, by the way. I went to San Diego, MCRD. Alright. Why I joined. Let's see, I was living in Topeka, Kansas, which is not a very cool place to live at all. And I pretty much wasn't getting anywhere. I was working as a donut fryer on a night shift at a grocery store. And one day, my dad kind of told me, "You're not really getting anywhere in life." This is in the summer of 2000. And he says, "Maybe you want to think about joining the military." He's like, "Geez, the Air Force or the Navy, I don't recommend joining the Army or the Marine Corps because they're one of the first ones to go to war." So, a few weeks later, I walked into a Marine Corps recruiter's office and talked for a few hours. Next thing you know, he wants to send me to MEPS in a few days to take the ASVAB and all that stuff. So I agree, and then call my dad and tell him to meet me for dinner somewhere. In fact, it was Cece's Pizza. I told him, I said, well, I joined the Marine Corps and I have to go to MEPS in just a couple days, actually. Of course, he was surprised. I really showed him, didn't I? But, oh man, this is brushed chrome, by the way. That's why it's being a little... So, I get to MEPS and do the ASVAB and everything. And at the end of all of it, they tell me, because I have a GED, I'm leaving for boot camp in 2 weeks. Well, isn't that convenient? I didn't mean right now, actually, but okay. So 2 weeks later, on August 21st of 2000, I left for San Diego. And then starts the best 4 years of my life. Let's get this into my display case. Okay, this one is brushed chrome, so I'm gonna put it with my other 3 brushed chrome. Let's kind of make it somewhat more presentable. And there we go. Stay tuned for more stories.